The crypto market never closes. Trading happens 24/7 and prices can change in seconds. This non-stop action is thrilling, but it's also overwhelming. No one can monitor charts all day and night. The fear of missing out, FOMO, pushes people to obsess over every price move. But trying to keep up is exhausting and unsustainable. What if you had a tool that watched the market for you? Imagine getting notified only when something important happens, on your terms. You'd be free to live your life, confident you won't miss key moments. This isn't a dream. It's possible with the right tools. You decide what matters, when to be notified, and regain control of your time. Instead of reacting to every blip, you act deliberately when your conditions are met. That's how you become a smarter, calmer, and more effective crypto participant. Work smarter, not harder. Enter Crypto Alerts, your digital market assistant. Like a text notification, a crypto alert tells you when your chosen market event happens. Set an alert for Bitcoin hitting a price or a coin dropping by a percentage. Alerts give you freedom. Set them, then step away from the screen. You'll only be notified when something significant happens. This reduces stress and helps you stick to your trading plan. Decide in advance. If this coin hits my target, I'll act. Alerts help you avoid emotional decisions and stay logical. They're also a learning tool. Set different alerts and you'll start to see market patterns. You'll notice how often prices swing and learn about volatility firsthand. Alerts aren't just for trading. They help you understand the market. With alerts, you're not guessing. You're informed and prepared. It's a simple tool with powerful benefits. Setting up crypto alerts is simple. Most exchanges, like Coinbase or Binance, have built-in alert features. Log in, find the alerts or notifications section, and pick your cryptocurrency. Choose your condition, price above, below, or a percentage change. For example, notify me if Ethereum goes above $4,500. Confirm, and your alert is active. Many platforms let you set alerts for price drops, spikes, or even volume changes. You can also use apps like CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap to track multiple coins across exchanges. Just download, create an account, and set your alert conditions. These tools give you a bird's-eye view of the market. You don't need to be a tech expert. Just a few clicks and you're set. Alerts put the market at your fingertips.
The real power of alerts is in customization. Tailor them to your strategy. Long-term investors set alerts for major dips, while active traders track smaller moves. For long-term holds, set alerts for big price drops, potential buying opportunities. For short-term trades, set alerts for small gains or losses to manage profits and risks. Layer your alerts. Set a main target plus an early warning as the price approaches. For example, if your sell target is $100, set a heads-up alert at $98. This gives you time to prepare and act deliberately. Review your alerts regularly. Markets change, and so should your triggers. Delete outdated alerts and set new ones as your strategy evolves. Alerts aren't static, they should grow with your experience. Use them as a living tool to stay sharp and adaptable. Smart alerts means smart trading.
Too many alerts can backfire. Alert fatigue is real. If your phone buzzes constantly, you'll start ignoring notifications. The key is to be selective. Set alerts only for what truly matters. Start with a few key coins and meaningful price levels. Avoid setting alerts for every tiny move. Crypto is volatile, and minor swings are normal. Give your alerts breathing room. Focus on significant changes. When an alert triggers, don't react blindly. Pause and analyze. Ask, does this fit my plan? Is there new market news? Use alerts as prompts for thoughtful decisions, not knee-jerk reactions. Start simple, then add more as your strategy matures. The right alerts reduce stress and keep you focused. Let alerts work for you, not against you.